Hey guys, Andrew Walters here with Capital Mortgages. Some people have been asking me to do a quick video on how to repair your credit. One of the first things you want to look at is why is your credit taking a hit? It might be you have some things in collections. A collections agency might be calling you. We want to make sure you take care of that. You want to pay them back. So set up a payment plan with them. Once you've paid it off, make sure that you get a receipt showing that it has been paid. Keep it for your records and also follow up with them to make sure that it's been reported to your bureau. Some people miss payments. That's a big thing. You might get caught up in the day-to-day activities and forget to pay your bills on time. Make sure that you have automatic withdrawals set up for your credit card and automatic withdrawals set up for your line of credit. If in fact you do carry balances, make sure you keep those balances low if you can. But if you have a balance, make sure you have those automatic withdrawals set up with your bank. Real simple, real easy, and never miss a payment again. Once you've kind of addressed the issue of why you're in this situation, you want to reestablish your credit. Quick and easy way, set up a secure Visa. That's where you give $500 to have a credit card for $500. Or you can get an RSP loan, which is secured by the investment of the RSPs, and it'll also allow you to pay the loan back, which will help your credit score, as well as the RSPs that you're investing in can be used for a down payment on your first home as a first-time home buyer in Canada. If you guys have any questions on how to reestablish your credit or creating a budget on how to not live outside your means or anything like that, feel free to get in touch with me, Andrew at capitalmortgages.com, or shoot me a message on Facebook. And if you want to sign up for my newsletter where you get a tip every month like this, feel free to shoot me a message or an email as well, just asking to subscribe to my newsletter. And we'll talk to you soon, guys.